So in this quick tutorial, let's take a look at how you're gonna know your iPad size for the case, right? So you may be a little bit confused, perhaps you wanna buy something, but the important thing is to know your exact iPad model. In order to find out about that, make sure you go to the settings like this, and then open up the general section. From here, click on About, and in there, make sure to pay attention to the model name. So you can see that it, for me, tells me that this is the iPad Pro, the 11-inch model, and the third generation of that. All of this information is very useful and practically necessary for you to pick the proper case. So the next time you go ahead and shop for cases, make sure you pay attention to the model that the case is designed for, because you can buy and locate so many different cases and so many different apps, and like obviously services are going to be available, but whenever you are buying something, you just want to make sure that it is for your specific iPad, right? So you can see that, for example, on Apple's website, so many different generations. So that's why I told you that it's really important to know your current one. So my iPad Pro 11-inch third generation, this is the one which I established that I own. So I can click on this and you can see what is specifically available for this iPad. Obviously, this is just the Apple's website. There are plenty of retailers and stores, but the filtering is going to be very similar. You just want to make sure you select the iPad you own, and then the available cases are going to be shown to you. So that is mostly the thing you need to know about it. Let me know below in the comments if you have some different thoughts or opinions about this topic. You can subscribe for more guides and videos like this one. I publish a lot of them, so stay tuned and I'll catch you later in the next videos.